In this guide, I'm going over Google Play asks someone else to pay not showing fixed. Intro. Now, first things first, you do need to keep in mind that this feature is only available to select users in supported regions right now, and it only works for paid apps and ineligible or actually eligible in-app purchases. What you would want to do is essentially just start the purchase again. I'm going to use Minecraft as an example, but get on this screen right here. And then of course, you just have to hit share payment link. And if you have an offer, discount, or promotion applied, remove it first because Google asks someone else to pay will not appear if an offer is being used. But make sure that you use the Google Play country for the same accounts, or the same country for the accounts that it would be paying for you. So if you're in the United States, you need the other person to be in the United States as well, and so on and so forth. But this feature is currently available for select users in the United States, Australia, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, and New Zealand. You should also update the Google Play Store and restart your phone. And if the option only disappears for one specific app or purchase, that purchase itself may not support the feature yet, so you just wouldn't be able to use it for that specific app or that specific in-app purchase. If everything is eligible but the option still doesn't appear, there usually isn't a setting to just manually enable it because Google only makes it available for select accounts. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.